Getting gifts for your employees right is so important. That is why this countdown of 30 best Christmas gifts for your employees will prove to be really useful. All links to the gifts are in the description below. 30. The Mighty 10,000 mAh portable charger is perfect for both on-the-go and office use. With its powerful 10,000 mAh battery, it ensures your devices stay charged throughout the day. Compact and convenient, it's ideal for phones and tablets. Originally priced at $22, it is now available for $18, offering great value. 29. The Dakasso Chocolate Brown Leather 3-inch note holder is a stylish and functional way to organize your notes and reminders. Crafted from high-quality leather, it enhances any workspace with elegance. Its compact size fits easily on your desk while keeping your notes tidy. Originally priced at $48, it is now available for $33. 28. The VanPad Sticky Notes feature a strong adhesive that ensures they stay securely in place without falling off. They can be easily removed without leaving any sticky residue, making them perfect for notes and reminders. Priced at $24, they are a reliable choice for organization and planning tasks. 27. The Document Organizer Bag features a coded lock and double zipper closure, providing secure storage for your personal valuables, similar to a mobile safe. It's perfect for keeping important documents and items safe while on the go. Originally priced at $18, it is now available for just $9, offering great value. 26. The Pack File Holder and Mail Sorter Magazine Rack features 5 separate oblique slots, making it ideal for organizing files, documents, magazines, stationery, mail, brochures, manila envelopes, and notebooks. Its design helps keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Originally priced at $22, it is now available for $11, providing excellent value. The Fomemo Label Maker D30 is a mini portable label printer that easily connects to smartphone devices, making labeling quick and convenient. It's perfect for organizing items at home or in the office. Originally priced at $37, it is now available for just $20, offering great value for its features. 24. The Logitech C920X HD Pro webcam delivers full HD 1080 pixels video calling and recording at 30 frames per second. It provides crisp, detailed, and vibrant video quality, ensuring you make a strong impression during meetings or video chats. Priced at $70, it's a reliable choice for clear and professional video communication. 23. The Bellroy Tech Kit offers clever storage for all your tech accessories in one compact location. Its folio-style design opens flat, providing easy access to your items when you need them. Priced at $59, it combines organization and convenience, making it a great choice for anyone who travels with gadgets. 22. The Yeti Rambler Tumbler, 20 ounces, features a Yeti Mag Slider lid, which uses magnets to securely lock in your drink, keeping it safe and spill-free. This durable tumbler is perfect for water, beer, or any favorite beverage. Priced at $35, it offers both convenience and quality for everyday use. 21. The Soundcore Anchor Life Q20 headphones feature custom oversized 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver high-resolution sound. With active noise-canceling technology, they provide an immersive listening experience. Originally priced at $60, they are now available for $50, making them a great choice for music lovers seeking quality and comfort. 20. The TileMate 2022 helps you keep track of your belongings by attaching to everyday items like keys, backpacks, or purses. It makes finding lost items easy and convenient. Originally priced at $30, it is now available for $25, offering a practical solution for organization and peace of mind. 19. The 5-Star Spiral Notebook is a one-subject notebook featuring 100 double-sided, college-ruled sheets designed to resist ink bleed. The pages are perforated for easy tear-out, making it convenient for note-taking and organization. Originally priced at $13, it is now available for $11, offering durability and quality. 18. The Uniball Jetstream 101 ballpoint pens offer smooth, vivid writing like a gel pen, while featuring quick-drying, smudge-resistant ballpoint ink. They're perfect for everyday writing needs. Originally priced at $22, they are now available for $10, providing great quality at an affordable price. 17. The Felix King office chair offers comfort and protection with its silent PU casters, which help prevent floor damage. It's designed for smooth movement and support, making it a great addition to any office. Originally priced at $240, it is now available for $141, providing excellent value for comfort and durability. 16. The Marcel standing desk features an adjustable design with a reinforced steel frame, thick tabletop, and T-shaped legs for enhanced stability. It's ideal for creating a flexible workspace. Originally priced at $160, it is now available for $119, offering a durable and practical solution for office setups. 15. The Aho Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponic System lets you easily start an indoor garden. It features a water reservoir, an overhead LED grow light, and a circulation system to keep the water fresh, perfect for growing plants year-round. It is available for $60, offering a simple and efficient gardening solution. 14. The Crock-Pot electric lunchbox is perfect for carrying meals and leftovers, making it convenient for lunch on the go. Its compact design allows for easy storage when not in use. Originally priced at $45, it is now available for $35, offering a practical solution for warm meals anywhere. 13. The Best in Kits Smart Coffee Warmer is a 19-watt mug warmer perfect for keeping coffee, tea, milk, or hot cocoa warm. It features a built-in gravity induction switch with an indicator light for easy use. Originally priced at $40, it is now available for $30, offering convenience and warmth. 12. The Vandal Puffy Laptop Sleeve is a padded case designed to protect your laptop while easily compressing to fit into your bag or backpack. It's a convenient and stylish way to keep your device safe. Originally priced at $40, it is now available for $30. 11. The GoLine Cat Lamp is a handheld, eco-friendly nightlight, perfect for decorating bedrooms, studies, or baby rooms. Its cute design makes it a great gift, especially for kids, girls, and ladies. Priced at $17, it's both practical and charming for any space. 10. The Marbrass Pen Organizer is a practical desktop storage solution for organizing small office essentials like iPads, pencils, markers, scissors, sticky notes, and paper clips. It helps keep your workspace neat and efficient. Originally priced at $15, it is now available for $10, offering great value for organization. 9. The Intercable Organizers help prevent phone charging cables, USB cables, network cables, and TV power cords from excessive bending, tangling, and fraying. They keep your space tidy and organized, making cable management easier. Priced at $6, they offer a simple solution to maintain a neat environment. 8. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E is ideal for home offices, providing high-quality color printing for business documents, reports, presentations, and flyers. It's designed for efficiency and professional results. Originally priced at $225, it is now available for $149, making it a great value for reliable printing. 7. The Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2 keeps drinks at the perfect temperature, making it ideal for desk use or as a thoughtful gift. It's designed for convenience and comfort. Originally priced at $150, it is now available for $103, offering advanced features at a reduced price. 6. The Time Timer MOD Home Edition is a desk timer designed to help both kids and adults improve time management and productivity during activities. It's a practical tool for staying focused and on track. Priced at $20, it's perfect for home, school, or office use. 5. The Prowithlin Desktop Vacuum Cleaner has an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, similar to a computer mouse. It's easy to use and makes cleaning your desk simple. Originally priced at $12, it's now available for $10, offering an affordable and convenient solution for desk maintenance. 4. The 3x3 Seattle Desktop To-Do Board features a compact design, making it a great tool for staying organized and focused at your desk. It's perfect for keeping track of tasks and priorities throughout the day. Priced at $26, it's a practical addition to any workspace. 3. The Nordic Leather Desk Mat offers soft cushioning designed to provide ergonomic support for your wrists, forearms, and elbows, making work more comfortable. It's a practical addition to any desk setup. Originally priced at $25, It is now available for $18. 2. The Yeti Rambler stackable mug is a versatile and durable option, perfect for both drinking and serving as a nifty bowl. Its stackable design makes storage easy, and it's built to withstand drops and scratches. Priced at $30, it's a practical solution for office refreshments. 1. The Comfy Life Gel Enhanced Seat Cushion is made of high-quality, durable memory foam with a cooling gel layer for extra comfort. Designed to relieve pressure, it's ideal for long sitting periods. Originally priced at $60, it's now available for $36, offering great value for superior comfort. That's it for this video. We hope you found a Christmas gift that is a great fit for your employees and colleagues. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more such videos. Also, do share your thoughts in the comments section below.